Hello and welcome back. We are in day 16 of this Mule advanced training. Now, in this lecture, we're going to understand about a very important concept related to Maven. What are Maven profiles and how these Maven profiles help us in deploying our application to different environments. Let us see practically. So, in earlier lectures, we understood how to configure this Mule Maven plugin. Um And this Maven plugin will deploy the application to Cloud Hub, and to which environment? The environment here is Sandbox. When I'm deploying to Sandbox, maybe I want this Cloud Hub deployment configuration to be different than the one for dev and the one for production. So whenever I want to deploy to production, shall I come here and change this to prod? And maybe in production, I want 3 workers. And maybe in production, I want a worker type to be a different value, the properties values to be different, right? So do you want me to come here and change every time? Not good. So for that purpose, to avoid changing this form.xml every time, we have a concept in Maven called as profiles. So what I'll do is here, I will write a tag called as profiles. Under profiles tag, I will write profile. Under that, ID. I'll give an ID. Suppose I want to do some configurations for dev environment. I'll write dev. And then here I will copy paste the entire build tag. Entire build tag, I'll copy and paste it here. So for a profile called as dev, this is the build. I'll Control Shift F. Yeah, this is a build. And similarly, for a profile called as prod, I'll copy this profile tag under profiles and paste it. I'm copy pasting one more profile. The ID I'll give it as, let us say, prod. Okay. So what I want is for dev and prod, I have common configurations. Like this resources plugin, it is same for both. So I can delete this. Clean plugin also is same. I can delete this. Excuse me. Similarly, this plugin is same. These two plugins are same for both environments. I have deleted because I have same build tag outside profiles. Whatever is outside of profiles, that will be actually common. Whatever is common for both profiles, you can keep it here. So I leave as it is, all this as it is. So whatever is differing, those only we can have here in the profiles. Do you think the connected client ID and secret is same for both? Yes. So these are same for both the environments. And application name also, I want to be same. Mule version and URI also, I want it to be same. Only environment will change. Dev, sorry, this is prod. And maybe I can change all these region, workers and all, whatever I want for production environment. Right now, I'll make it same. And here, I'll give the value as value prod, value to prod. Okay. And this also I want to be same, whatever is there in the default profile, the default build, let it be there. So I have configured the values which are differing. Okay. Now, same thing. Let me copy paste the same profile, and I'll change the value as dev. Here, I'll change the environment as dev environment, and I could change all this. whatever I want. Right now, let them be same dev, here dev. So whatever is different for dev environment, I configured under profile, and whatever is common for prod, whatever is specific to prod, I configured under prod, and whatever is common, it is still there in the build tag. Now, how to actually deploy using these profiles? Very simple now. Once you have profiles, you don't need to change anything in the pom.xml now. I'll just go to the command prompt. Okay, then simply mvn clean deploy -d mule deploy. This is the one which we use. But now I will use -p dev. This will pick the configuration from dev profile. So I just want to make sure that in my anypoint platform, I have dev, right? Yes. So I'll switch to dev. Oh, it was selected as sandbox only. I'll switch to dev now. Yes, there are no applications. What I will do is right now, I'll go to here. I'll change I want the application name to be different in dev. So what I will do is I'll just go to application name. Okay. And I'll add -dev. Let us see now. I'm using this configuration -p dev I configured. It should deploy the application by using the dev profile. Let us see. Yes, now you can see it is saying deploying this artifact. That means you can see the -dev, right? That means it picked the value from the dev profile. So you understood the concept of profiles in Maven. We just have to write profiles, and the build tag I just have to duplicate in the profiles. And inside this also, whatever is different, that only I have to keep in the profile specific tag. Whatever is common, that will be in the common profile. That's it. So the deployment will happen. So that's about how to use Maven profiles while deploying. That's all. I'll see you in the next lecture.